Hey man, what is good with y'all? It's your boy OG from the Woe Clan, and we are back with another video. And today we're going to fix a issue that I was having. So if you have the PS5 and you are trying to change your controller settings or your button layouts, stick layouts, I have the fix for you. So boom, as you can see, mine is working now. But before it was not working. It was booting me out of that and taking me straight to the main menu. So if you're playing the story, just know that this is going to mess up your story's progress. You have to start all over on the story. So just want to give a clear warning on that, but this is the fix. So what you want to do is you want to go to your settings. After you get to your settings, you want to scroll down to saved data and game app settings. Boom. After that, you want to click on save data PS5, upload or delete from console storage. Go to delete. Wait for that to come up, and then once it comes up, click on Call of Duty and delete it. I did that, and now I can edit my button layout. So boom, we good. We straight. You know what I'm saying? If y'all need any more tutorials, let me know. I'll try to find them. I'll go ahead and make videos for them. And that's it. I'm out.